Let's make this single serve blueberry muffin. It's ready in about 20 to 25 minutes, baked in a ramekin. So easy, soft, buttery, absolutely delicious. Here's how we do it. We're gonna mix together a half a cup of flour along with a half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Just mix that together in a little bowl. Then we're going to take another bowl and we're going to mix together 3 tablespoons of sugar along with 2 tablespoons of butter that we've melted. Stir this together. Then add in a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg yolk. And be sure to hang on to the egg white. We have so many recipes on our website, onedishkitchen.com, where you can use that leftover egg white. So we're going to mix this all together and then add in 4 tablespoons of milk. All right, next we'll add in the flour, baking powder, and salt. Stir this together until you don't see any more flour. And then we've got a half cup of blueberries. Add that and gently stir them into the batter. Then we're going to take a 10-ounce ramekin, butter the inside a little bit, and spoon the batter into the ramekin. All right, just like this. We're going to bake it in a 400-degree preheated oven for about 22 minutes, something like that. And then I've already baked one. So here it is right here in our ramekin. Beautiful. Or run a knife around the edge of the ramekin and put it on a plate. It's so easy. Let me get a knife and show you how pretty it is. I'll cut into this one so you can see. Filled with blueberries. Look at that. So enjoy it right out of the ramekin or take it out and enjoy it just like this. So good. Look at all those blueberries.